Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your phone number on Flipkart without needing an OTP. Let's get started. So first, this method works only on a browser, not through the Flipkart mobile app. So make sure you're using Google Chrome, Safari, or any other web browser. Log in into your Flipkart account using your existing credential. Click on your profile icon at the top right, then go to My Profile. Then, scroll down to Personal Information and look for the Mobile Number section. Then, hit the edit icon, type in your new number, and click Save. And that's it. Your number will be updated without asking for OTP, as long as you're logged in through the web browser. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.